Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2016 Infiniti Q50 we just got off lease. This beautiful one-owner local clean Carfax vehicle was just acquired off lease and now it's available for sale at our store. The nice thing is when people turn in leases at our store, we get first dibs on buying them from Infiniti before they're made available to the rest of the Infiniti off-lease network, or they send them to the auction where everyone can bid on them. And I definitely jumped at the opportunity to get this one, and I'll tell you why when we move towards the outside. This is nicely equipped with a premium package, so you have really nice creature comforts. Bose premium audio system. This has a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes, so it goes up and down and in and out. And this one only has 31,482 miles. So the Q50 is equipped with a drive mode selector. That makes changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, and traction and stability control settings for different driving situations. The Q50 is equipped with a 7-speed automatic transmission that features adaptive shift control. Adaptive shift control momentarily holds the car in gear for better acceleration out of a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. And you also have a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back to the left, you push the shifter up to upshift, back to downshift, and you get rev matched downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. The Q50 is one of the first vehicles to be built with a dual display system of this kind. The top screen is for the clock, Bluetooth settings, a backup camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Universal garage door opener, automatic dimming mirror, integrated compass. We have a moonroof. All right, now for the special part of this Q50. And I actually talked about the leasee who turned this one in. He actually negotiated this set of Red Sport 400 wheels into the lease. So usually you only get these if you get the range topping high performance Red Sport 400 version of the Q50, which are usually $55,000–$60,000. And these are also really high quality wheels. If you went to our parts department and wanted to buy one rim, I think it'd probably be about $1,000, and that's just for the rim, not the tire. So really a big visual upgrade. You know, it's kind of amazing how wheels and tires can make such a dramatic difference in the look of a vehicle. And these Red Sport 400 wheels really make this Q50 look awesome. And to an untrained eye, it almost looks like it's the Red Sport 400, especially from the side. And then they added tinted windows, which really goes nicely with the silver exterior. Silver is just a nice, easy color to deal with. Even though the Q50 is considered a compact vehicle, interior space is not too bad. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I have a decent amount of legroom back here. My knees are not bumping that front seat. This Q50 is also equipped with all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. It's starting to rain now. And while this isn't the Red Sport 400 or 400 horsepower, it still has 300 horsepower. So if you just had this with rear-wheel drive, which they come standard with, in wet, slippery conditions like this, you punch the throttle, the rear wheels are going to want to spin, the traction control system's going to kick in, and that's going to reduce your performance. Just the opposite of all-wheel drive, it's going to grip and go. As soon as those rear wheels slip, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels for excellent wet weather performance, and it's going to do a lot better in the snow with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. We have a nice set of floor mats, so we have the carpeted floor mats, and then you have a nice set of all-season floor mats. Usually these retail for about $190. Then you have a trunk mat as well. Really in nice shape. Dual exiting exhaust, nice performance stance on the back. The Q50 is built in an advanced front midship platform, also shared with the Nissan 370Z. It is built on a sports car platform, and that's why it offers such sporty performance. Bi-xenon lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. 2016 is a great year for the Q50 because that's the first year of the new VR30 twin turbo engine, replacing the aging VQ37. As great as the VQ37 was, fuel efficiency, smoothness, things like that were kind of falling behind the pack as far as competition. This is a very hotly contested market. The compact luxury sport luxury market. You know, you have the BMW 3 Series, Mercedes C-Class, Lexus IS Series. So Infiniti stepped up their game with this awesome new engine. It's more fuel efficient, features direct injection, which you didn't have in the old VQ37. Direct injection works by sending highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally that gives you more horsepower, low emissions, and better fuel economy. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. You want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchase from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money back guarantee. No gimmicks, no restocking fees. It is 100% money back. This really is a gorgeous vehicle. I mean, look how beautiful it is with those red sport wheels and the tinted windows. If you're looking for a nice, eye-catching Infiniti with all-wheel drive, Japanese build quality, affordable price point, a 2016 off-lease Q50 is an excellent proposition, and we have an excellent selection at our store. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.